day, my people. My name is Steve Code. I'm happy to code with you. In our last episode, we talked about introduction to Python. We learned what Python is. We learned what we can use Python for in our programming journey. After completing this Python course, the career path that we can find ourselves in. So in this episode, we'll be learning Python basic commands, how to print a text on the screen, how to comment our codes and document our codes, and how to format our codes. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly support me by subscribing and liking the videos. If you also have any question that you want to ask concerning about this course, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the video. This will help my content reach larger audience. Let's get into it right now. Oh yes, we are conquering Python bit by bit. Before we dive into the coding, I will encourage you to install PyCharm on your PC. Make sure you also have Python installed on your PC because Python is actually going to do the work for us. Python will take our instructions and interpret them for the computer to execute it for us. So you need Python to be installed in a text editor. In this video, we'll be using PyCharm throughout, but you can feel free to use any text editor of your own choice, the one that you feel comfortable with. You can use Visual Studio Code or any other text editor. If you're also using mobile phone, you can use Replit. You can download the app and code with me, or you go to their website and code along with me. Those who are also using PC, you can also use Google Colab on your phone or your laptop. This is a platform where you can code everything there without installing anything. Just go to Google Colab, search, and the platform will come. Just create your project, start coding there. After that, you can save the project in your Google Drive. Anytime you want, you go and download it. Okay, to create a project in PyCharm, you open your PyCharm. So when you open the PyCharm, this is how it looks like. You create new project, open a project that you have worked on already, or to clone the repo from GitHub. So I will just go new project. The name of my project will be Python tutorials. I'll check the location of my folder. If I want to change it, I'll come here and change it. After typing the name of your folder or your project name, this is a folder where your files that will be creating in the project will be saved. Take note of it and the location that folder will be saved. This will contain your project files and all the resources that you need in there. Next, make sure you have Python selected here. I have Python 3.12.3 selected. That's the interpreter. If you don't have anything there, you can come here and choose any of the interpreter that you have installed. Make sure you have one selected there. After that, leave everything as it is, then you click create. Wait for it to load. Okay, so when you open it after loading, this is how it is. This is our project. These are files that are generated by PyCharm for us. Don't delete anything, just leave it as it is. This is the interface of PyCharm. Use this button to run your code, your program. This is the package. If you install package on packages, this is where the button you see your packages installed there. This is the terminal where we're interacting with our machine. This is a tool that we'll be using mostly in our program, so you have to get use of it. This is the main menu. So I want to create a new file. Just come to main menu, go to new, choose Python file, then type the name of the file. So the name of my file will be basics. You can name it the way you like. This is a file where we're writing our codes there. So we'll just choose the name and you hit enter. After typing the name of your file, you press enter. So this is the interface where we're writing our codes there. Now we have created our file. We now want to print something to the screen, print a text. So how do you do this? We can print a text by using the print function. Function in Python is actually a chunk of code that performs a specific task. These functions have been built in Python behind the scenes. You don't see. Anytime you want to use it, you just call it in your program and use it. They will instruct it the way you want it to do for you, and it will execute the task for you. So we can print text to the screen by using the print statement. Just type print, then you bring parentheses. Inside the parentheses, the text that you want to display, you put it in single quotes or double quotes. So we are printing hello world. hello world. This is what I'm telling the interpreter to do for me. Print hello world to the screen. So after writing this, we now want to execute your program. How do you execute our program? You can use this button to run your program or execute it. But for the first time, it's always good to use a terminal because the terminal makes it faster. So on the terminal, you make sure that you're in the same directory. We are using Python tutorials. So Python tutorial. Type Python. After that, the name of your script, your Python scripts. So the name of my Python scripts is basics.py. I'm telling the interpreter that run a Python file called basics.py. After that, you press enter and it has executed it for us. Hello world. You can equally print hello world with the single quotes. Print. So when you print something, when you type something, you know that it brings suggestion. The one that you want, just select that one and press tab. When you just press tab, you continue with what you want. Let's run our program and see. So for the second time, if you want to run your program, just bring the focus to the terminal. You press the up arrow key, then enter. There we go. You see it has executed. Print hello world, print hello world. Take note, it must be in lowercase. You cannot use print this way. Everything must be in lowercase. If you do it this way, hello, and run, you get an error because print is not defined. Did you mean print? So always take note of the errors. As a beginner, well, most of your programs that you'll be writing, you'll be encountering a lot of errors. So if you don't take your time to read the error messages, you'll find yourself wanting, and it will be very, very discouraging. Or when you try to run a program and you have an error there, the rest of the course will not run unless you fix that issue there. So always take your time to read the error message. This will help you to fix the error. Check here, line 3 in mode, print hello. So line 3, the error is located in print. So this one should have lower. The good thing about PyCharm is that when you make an error, it underlines it for you. This tells you that what you're doing, you have an error, so you have to correct it before you even run. This is the error messages that it gives. You can use either the single quotes or the double quotes to print text, but stick to one. Choose the one that is best for you when you're writing your codes. Okay, let's go ahead and play with the print functions. Print, my name is Tipcool. I am a Python developer. Then let's run it and see. Hello. My name is hello world. My name is Tipcool. I am a Python developer. So how Python interprets it? Start from the top and interpret it one after the other, then it gets to them. So if you make an error here, if you make an error on number 3, line 1 and line 2 will be executed, but the remaining 3 may not be executed unless you fix the error of line 3. So let me intentionally remove this parenthesis. Ideally it's supposed to be closed, but I am removing it. So let's run our program and see what will happen. So they give me error there, and syntax error. The parenthesis was never closed, meaning I have to close it. But check, it executed hello world. It executed this, meaning I have to close this for the program to run. You can also use the print function to add 2 numbers or perform some math. Print, then you run your program. 3 plus 4 is 7, and that is the answer that is given to us. Why is it that I'm not putting this in single quotes or double quotes? This is because they are numeric values, so we are directly performing the arithmetic operation in the function. Here we don't need to put it inside any quotes. What we have done here is just text. This is a string of characters, so we have to put them in single quotes or double quotes. But for numbers, we don't do that unless we want it to be the format of a string. Take note of this. I want to print something. Coding in Python is very sweet. Let me run it and see. Hello, coding in Python is very sweet. So let's get rid of this. Another thing I want to show you is that we can use one print statement to print all these statements. Okay, so let's put it in one sentence. So print, my name is Tipcool. My name is Steve Code. I am a Python developer. What I've basically done here is that this is a special character script. After printing this line, even though they are on the same line, but this sentence will be printed on the next line. So let's run it and see what will happen. Let me run it. Hello world, my name is Steve Code. I am a Python developer. Here they are on the same line, but because of this special character, it has brought the next sentence to the next line. So this is what you use to break lines or to format it the way we want. When the text is there, we don't want to print it one by one. You want to use one print statement to print. You want to use one print statement to print different sentences. So you use this escape character to achieve that. I am learning Python programming with Steve Code. So this sentence, if I want to break it, so this sentence, I am learning Python programming with Steve Code. Yes, coding in Python is very sweet. The sentence is too long, so I want to cut it down, but I want it to be in the same line. But on the text editor, I want to cut it, so I can achieve this by just bringing a single backslash. So if I execute this program, even though they're on different lines, this is on line 5, and yes, coding in Python is very sweet. It's also on line 6, but if you execute it, it will be on the same line. So let's do that and see. Hello world, hello, my name is Steve Code. I am a Python developer. I am learning programming with Steve Code. The reason why this space are is because of this side. So if I get rid of that, you see that I am learning Python programming with Steve Code. Yes, coding in Python is very sweet. The next thing we will learn is commenting in programming language is very important. As a programmer, when you are writing your programs, each part of your program has to document it by commenting. The comments will help you debug your codes or help you fix errors when you encounter errors in your program. If you write your program without commenting it, if any other developer takes your program to read, the person might not understand. Even you yourself, for a longer time, if you come back to modify your program, you find it difficult to do it because you didn't document it. You need to document your codes. As you are learning your program, you'll be working with other programmers, and your part that you'll be working with, for them to understand your project or your portion, whatever you are doing, you have to document it so that when they take your course, they will know what you are doing there. Comments are also used to prevent the interpreter from running a particular line of instruction. So assuming I don't want to get rid of hello world, I just want to comment it. So I'll just come in front of it and type the hashtag, the hash in front of it, just comment it. If I want to do the same thing, I'll do this. So when you run the code, even though hello world is there, it will not be executed. Let's try it and see. My name is Steve Code. I am a Python developer. That is it. The next is this multi-line commenting. So if you want to comment a block of codes, block commenting. So you use the single quotes and put everything there, or you use the double quotes, so whatever is inside these quotes will not be executed. Let's run it and see. Have you seen it? It is there, but it does not be executed. You can use double quotes also to achieve the same thing. So when you run it again, this line won't be executed. To comment this line, just press Ctrl+/ to comment it, or if you want to uncomment, you press the same, come to the same line, you press Ctrl+/ to uncomment it. Thank you for watching this episode, and that is it for this episode. In the next episode, we'll be talking about variable. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly help me by subscribing and liking the video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Kindly ask me in the comment section. I will provide answers to all your questions. All these codes will be in my GitHub repo. The link will be provided in the description section, so you can get the source code through that repo. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment.